Hey everybody, it's Eric Meyer, NASA Great Lakes. I got some really great news to share. About 30 hours ago, I made this NASA Great Lakes data acquisition resource page, which is public. You are welcome to join. And this is to help implement our winter effort and my commitment to our region to help everybody be the best driver that they can be. And the number one thing I'm hearing is, hey, help me with learn data acquisition. I got this fancy lap timer. I don't use it. I got an AIM Solo. I've never downloaded it. I got Harry's lap timer. I don't know what to do with it. Um, Everything under the rainbow. If this is you, you are normal, and it's okay. We're here to help. So hold on to your shorts. We got some neat stuff going on. So about 30 years ago, we created this page, and look at this. We got 110 members of folks that want to either learn because they're brand new to this, or they want a refresher, or they forgot a bunch of stuff, or they want to jump in. And I'm here to tell you that the more you jump into this stuff, it's easy. The faster you go. And I'll talk a little more about that later. But hey, here's what's going on, gang. So join this crazy team right here, right? And all the information you need to know about what we're doing is on this page, right? And here's what's up. We've created a series of fantastic entry-level beginner to introduction to data acquisition. Here's one in Columbus and Saturday, the November 17th. Our friend Jeremy Lucas of Fast Tech is going to put this on. Jeremy is an AIM guru. He does some professional coaching, does some Grand Am IMSA team efforts. He's been driving us for a long time. He's very good at this. I think we're looking to bring in Roger Cadell. If any of you know Roger, that's in the works right now. Jay Andrew would like to get involved and sponsor the Cleveland event and do a little brake tech talk because that is his bailiwick. ApexPro is the new official data acquisition device for NASA Great Lakes. That's what it looks like right there. This thing is awesome. My buddy Andrew Rains is committed to coming up here. He'll be up here for the PRI show. Same way with the guys at TrackAttack who do this awesome software right here that we're going to talk about in a second. That is the December PRI show event. Got 12 people going to that. We've got an event going in Detroit that is, I still need to do some details of this. So this is all evolving, guys. It's a really neat one. Intro and intermediate acquisition at VFC Engineering in Chicago. This will be a really big event. Thank you, Zach, for hosting that. Zach is a Motec user. He is very talented. He's a fast driver. I'm looking forward to this one. This will be really fun and well attended at their shop, which they build some awesome go fast race cars. Tentatively, Ross Bentley, Ross Bentley and I are talking on a program here in Indianapolis. There will be a cost for this. We are tailoring it to the Mid-O Championships, driving Mid-Ohio, how to plan how to create a plan of attack in the off season so that your next year is your best year ever. We've got some sponsors in here. The TrackAttack guys and ApexPro guys. And we're building. We're having some fun. So this one isn't in the bag yet, but the more I hear people are interested, the more I think it's going to happen. We got some giveaways, some ability to do some one-on-one time with Ross, and it is going to be advanced driving, so be prepared for that. It will not be entry level. However, we are going to do some gear this toward instructors, racers, time trialers, and have a VIP event as well. So, hey, here's what you got to do. You got to go to this site right now if you're interested, and you got to get an account. And you got to download some software, which is right here on your Mac or Windows. And here's what's up. Here's the train, guys. Here's what's happening right now. All these fellow drivers, James Wheeler, Nick Owens, Instructor of the Year, Bill Griffin, the Sportsman of the Year award given by Forge Line Wheels. John Allen, good luck. He's down at Road Atlanta right now doing a Mazda shootout. Good luck, John. He's on the program. There's our friend Ross Bentley, Santiago, Kevin Lieberman, Lawson, Brap. We got everybody. You got to get on here, because when you get on here, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to share this data with you right here and right here. So you don't need data. If you got data, I'll show you how to upload it. If you don't have data, no problem. This is a free account. This is free software. And when you load your software, you're going to sync your software. And I have just shared outings with you on the cloud. Here's your brand new software. You're like, Eric, what do I do with this? I don't know what to do. Well, when we sync it, the outings that I just sent you, here's all the folks that I'm working with right now, help them go faster. You're going to have these two files right here. You're going to open them up, and we're going to walk through this very easily and gently. I'm going to show you a couple things about this easy-to-use software. Thank you, TrackAttack. Did I mention it was free? And we're going to do some really fun stuff here. And I'm already starting to do it right now. We're going to do some really fun stuff here and get you on the program. This is a prerequisite, guys. This is a prerequisite for any of these data acquisition workshops that you want to attend. So you want to learn this stuff? You need to get an account. You need to let me know what that account is. I'm going to share the software, share the files, and show you how to walk through some of this stuff with some easy to follow short YouTube videos. Here's how to get an account. It's 1 minute and 21 seconds long. Watch it. Going to put it at the bottom of this video. So that's what you need to know if you want to get on this data acquisition train and have a rockin' year next year. Please come on board. We'd love to have you. And if you don't, then you are welcome to watch that train leave the station without you. I'm Eric Meyer. I'm here to help. Watch this page, which is free to join, for more information. Thanks. We'll talk to you soon.